Good morning, my dear students. How are you, everyone? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Thank you. I, Muhammad Mokhtar Hussain, my dear students, I have a mathematics class for you. This class will be more interesting and understanding for you if you give your full concentration in the class. Before starting the class, I will ask you some questions from our previous lesson, fraction. I will ask you some questions to check you that you have learned the previous lesson or not. Hope all of you are ready to give the correct answer. Before it, you should take your textbook, that means mathematics book, copy, pen, pencil, etc. Now, be ready for the giving correct answer. Students, now answer the 3 questions given on the board. Now look at the board and try to answer me. Okay? On the board, first question is, how many types of fractions mainly? And what are they? Can you tell me how many types of fractions mainly? Okay, you tell. Yes, nice. There are 2 types of fractions mainly. They are common fraction and decimal fraction. Here there are 3 types of common fraction again. They are proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Number 1 proper fraction, number 2 improper fraction and number 3 mixed fraction. And another type of fraction is decimal fraction. This is the special form of fraction. The special form of fraction is called decimal fraction. Now you have got the answer of 2 and you told some students. Then you will multiply these 2 fractions. Do it by yourself and tell me what is the answer. Yes, you are right. Now maths with me. I am also showing you for all the students here. I will start from this question, from this one. After this, what will be at first done? At first, you will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay? So, we will convert now. This is the denominator. Denominator will be same. So here you will write 5 and denominator will be multiplied with the integer. That means whole number. 3 into 5, 15 and numerator will be added. 15 plus 3, 18. So here numerator will be 18 into same, convert. Denominator will be same, 13, 31 is 13 plus 7, 20, right, 20. You will do the sum one below another and give writing right side. Okay. Then, now you will divide for multiplication, getting the product. 5, it will not go into 18, but 5 will go into 20. Here 5 will go 4 times. 4 5s are 20. And this 18 will not be divisible by 13. So it will be same. Now 13 will be same. And 18 4s are 72. Since this one is improper fraction, so you will convert it into mixed fraction again. So after dividing, you will get like this 13, 72. How many times will go? 5 13 are 65. Left 5 7. 12 minus 5 7. Carrying 1 6 plus 1 7 7. Left remainder is 7. So here divisor will be 5 whole, 13 will be divided and remainder 7. It will be mixed fraction. If you convert into mixed fraction, you will get this number. Okay, good. Then division. Question number 3. You will match with me. At first 3 by 15. Instead of this division sign, you will write its reciprocal. Its reciprocal is multiplication, and reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12 is equal to, now by this 3 we can divide 15 and 12 also. Anyone you can divide. This 12 you can divide. Since this one is smaller, so 3 will go 4 times into 12. Now and here it will go 1 time. 1 ones are 1, no division, and 15 into 4, 16. This one is the answer. Okay, yes, most of the students you have done correctly. Now we will go for today's class. Take your book and copy. Be ready for today's lesson. My dear students, now you will learn addition of decimal fractions. Here, example 1. At first we will learn from the examples. Add 33.01 plus 3.7 plus 14.85. In the solution, in case of addition of decimal numbers, we need to arrange them in such a way that the decimal points remain one below the other according to their position. In that way, we will arrange the numbers so that the decimal points be one below another. This way. Look, the decimal points are one below another. Similarly, you will write in the sum also. Whenever we will add the numbers. In this blank space, you will give 0. Since there is no significant digits. Okay. Now you will add the numbers in a normal way. Now add 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 7, 15, 15's 5 we will write here. Carrying 1. Now then you will put decimal point straightly, and after that you will add this one with the integer. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 11. Again 11, this one you will write here, and this one is remain. This carrying one will be added with this 3 in tens place. 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Here you will write in the sum. So the result is 51.56. After the decimal point, you will tell the digits, not number. Right side. Okay? Then you will write down the answer. You can write this way, giving therefore 33.01 plus 3.7 plus 14.85 is equal to 51.56. Now answer is 51.56. This is the answer. Have you got the students? I hope you have understood the sum, addition of decimal fractions. Now we will learn this sum in another way. Okay, students, in this method, at first we will omit the decimal points. How? I am showing, look at me. At first you will give fraction bar to avoid this decimal point. Opposite of the number, you will give 1 instead of this decimal point. That means instead of the decimal point, you will give 1 opposite side of fraction bar of the number. Then after the decimal point, how many digits here? 2 digits. 1, 2. Instead of these 2 digits, you will give 0. 2 zeros. Okay? Then it will be omitted. After omitting this decimal point, you will get this number 3301. That means 3301. This is a common fraction from decimal fraction. Then next number. Again same way, give fraction bar. Instead of this decimal point, you will give 1. Okay? For these digits, you will give 0. After omitting this decimal point, you will get 37 only. Okay? Similarly, we can omit this decimal point also. For this decimal point 1, and for these 2 digits you will give 2 zeros. Then you will get 1485. Okay? Then after converting into common fraction, you will find out the LCM of the denominators. Here denominator is 100, 10, 100. So you know that if the bigger number is divisible by smaller one, then the bigger number is the LCM. Since this 100 is divisible by this 10, or this 100 is divisible by this 10, then 100 is the LCM. Okay, thank you for understanding. This 100 is divisible. Now, this LCM will be divisible by the first denominator. Then 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. Quotient is 1. 1 will be multiplied with the numerator 3301 into 1. You will get, it will be 3301. Then this sign plus. This 100 again will be divisible by 10. How many times it will go? Yes, 10 times. It will go 10 times. And quotient 10 will be multiplied with this 37, with this numerator. Then it will be 370 after multiplying by 10. Similarly, this 100 will be divisible, this 100, it will go one time, and 1 will be multiplied 1485. It will be same if you multiply by 1. Then, what is the sum of these 3 numbers? Can you tell me? You add. It will be, yes, 5156 divided by 100. Since after this decimal point, after this one, two zeros, then the decimal point from the right side, it will come left side after 2 digits. 5, 1, decimal point you will put, then 5, 6 for this one. It will move 2 digits, 1, 2, since here is 2 digits. If you do graph here, you will get same answer. By 100, if you divide 5, 1, 5, 6. Look at the board, I am showing the graph. At first, here is in the divisor, 1, 2, 3 digits, you will take 1, 2, 3 digits. 515, it will go 5 times at first. 500, 5 ones are 500. Left is 15, you will bring down 6, then it will go 1 time. It will go 100. Left is 56 after subtracting. Then there is no number. If there is no number, after giving the decimal point, you can take 1 digit. 1 times 0. Since there is no significant digit, you can take 0. 560. It will 100. How many times will go? Yes, it will go 5 times. 500s are 500. Left is 16. After decimal point, every time you can take 0, 1 0. So after taking 1 0, it will be 600. Again, this 600 is divisible by 100. It will go 6 times. 600 is 6 times. Now the quotient is 51.56. Right? Okay, this is the answer, like previous one. And then you will write down the answer. ANSW here. Answer 51.56. My dear students, look at the board. Now we will learn the subtraction of decimal fraction. Here, example 2 is written on the board. Subtract 1.71 from 23.657. That means you will subtract this number from 23.657. Okay? I hope you have understood. Now, before subtracting like normal subtraction, we have to arrange, because there is a decimal point. In the solution, you will arrange this way by arranging the given numbers, keeping the decimal points one below another according to their position. Then we get 23.657 and below of it 1.71. Look here, this decimal point one below another. And in this gap, that is blank space, you will give 0. You can give 0, right? Got it? Okay, good. Now, you can subtract like a normal method, normal way, like a normal subtraction. 7 minus 0, that means 7. Here 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 7. It's not possible because 7 is bigger than 6. So you have to take 1/10 from left side. Then if you take 1 here, then it will be 16. So 16, from 16 you can subtract 7. 16 minus 7, then it will be 9. Straightly you will put decimal point. I told you decimal point always will be written one below another. That's why you write this way. Then you have taken 1 tens here. Again this one you will bring this side, left side. You can add with this 1 or you can subtract from this 3 from upper number. Okay? If you add with this one, it will be 1 plus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, left is 1, and here left is 2 minus 0, 2. This is the answer. Okay? So you can write the answer here. ANSWER. Answer is 21.947. Thank you, you got the subtraction. Okay. My dear students, now there is one problem for you. This is example 5. I have written on the board. At first you will try to understand the question clearly. Then you will solve it. And I am helping you. I will describe on the board, then you will understand and you will write it. Okay, look at the question at first. Read question with me. Mr. Azim sold 5 quintals of rice at Taka 30.75 per kg. 5 quintals of onion at Taka 20.25 per kg. And 17 quintals of wheat at Taka 17.50 per kg. Then he deposited an amount of Taka 1,10,000 to a saving bank from the fund obtained. How much will be left with him after saving the fund from his fund, saving the bank? Okay, we know. Now solution. We know 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. At first, quintals will be converted into kgs. Then we'll find out the cost or price of the items. Okay? Now look. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So 50 quintals rice will be 15 into 100 kg. 15 times, 100 times will be more. This one, this, since here is 50 quintals, is equal to 5 ones are 5 and 3 zeros you will put right side for finding the product. Then it will be 5,000 kg. Similarly, 5 quintals onion, 5 into 100 kg. 100 times it will be more, 500 kg. Again, same way, 17 quintals wheat, 17 into 100 kg is equal to 1700 kg. That means 1700 kg. After converting into kg, then we will find out the price of the items. Now, here the cost of 1 kg rice. The cost of 1 kg rice is equal to, look here, 1 kg rice 30.75 taka. TK 30.75. Now here how many kgs rice? Can you see? Yes. Here rice is 5,000 kg. So therefore the cost of 5,000 kg of rice is equal to taka 30.75 into 5,000 is equal to Total how much? Can you tell me? Anyone? Yes, 157,750. Yes, right. This much amount. That means 1,53,750 taka. The cost of 5,000 kg rice. Okay. Then now the cost of remaining part. The cost of 1 kg of onion is equal to 1 kg onion is taka 20.25. 5 quintals onion, that means 500 kg. Therefore, the cost of 500 kg of onion is equal to, it will be 500 times more, 20.25 into 500. Multiply. What will be the product now? Yes, it will be 10,125. 10,125. Okay. Now you will find out the cost of wheat. The cost of 1 kg of wheat is equal to taka. Here wheat is 17.50. 17.50 per kg. How many kgs? 1,700 kgs we got it. Therefore, the cost of 1,700 kg of wheat is equal to taka 17.50 into 1,700 times more. Since this one is bigger than 1, that's why it will be more amount. 1,700. Okay. Then is equal to, you can multiply by yourself, everyone. Yes, 29,750. 29,750 taka. Okay, after decimal point, no need to write 2 zeros. If you write, it will not be problem. This is the cost of rice, onion and wheat. It's selling price of Mr. Azim. Now, what is the total amount? You will add all the amounts now. Therefore, what will be written? Mr. Azim got the amount in total. Mr. Azim got the amount in total. Look, if there is no enough space, you can write here is equal to total. At first it was how much for rice? 1,53,750. Yes, 1,50,750. Then from onion he got 10,125. From wheat he got 29,750 taka. You can write taka here or before the number. Taka. That means total after adding we are getting 1,93,000. 1,93,000. Yes, 625. 625 taka. From this amount, 1,10,000 taka he has kept in the bank, in the saving bank. So this amount will be subtracted from the total amount. So then the amount left with him. Therefore, the amount left with him is equal to how much? From this 1,93,225 taka, you will subtract 1,10,000 taka. That means left is how much? Can you tell me? Yes, left is 83,625 taka. 83,625 taka. This amount is remained with him. Okay? I hope you have understood the sum. Then this is the answer. You write here at last line. You will write on the answer. 83,625 taka. This is all. This was in your lesson class, in today's class. Students, now it's time for feedback. Question number 1. What should be done before adding the decimal fractions? Yes, you will answer now. Very good. Your answer is right. We should arrange the fractions in a such way that the decimal points remain one below another according to their position. Now I am asking question number 2. What do you mean by per kg? You? Yes, it's really nice. Your answer is correct. Per kg means in 1 kilogram. Now question number 3. This is the last one. How many kg in 1 quintal? You will answer. It's very easy. Yes, it's really nice. Your answer is correct. In 1 quintal there are 100 kg. I hope you have understood the class. Dear students, today is online homework 26, chapter 1, exercise 1.6, example 5. Dear students, the sums you will practice at home. You will stay home, stay safe, stay well. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.